Hello and welcome to Trader Toolbox. I'm Jake from Trader and I'm here to introduce our new Bear Interconnectable wireless smoke alarms. Let's start with the Be Smoky 10. This is our mains wired photoelectric smoke alarm. It comes with a 10-year lithium battery and offers you a choice of wired or wireless ready interconnection performance. To create a wireless interconnection, you need one of these, our BE Smoky 10 WM wireless modules. Insert one in each Be Smoky 10 alarm to interconnect up to 40 units up to 60 meters in distance. The wireless module also allows you to interconnect with our Be Smoky 10 BW battery only smoke alarm. This alarm has no wires and comes with a non-removable 10-year lithium battery. Use it as a standalone alarm or as a slave alarm when a wired interconnection is difficult to achieve. Max range is up to 100 meters. Finally, here's our BE Smoky 10 REM remote. This handy remote is perfect for when you have many alarms or even just a high ceiling within the range of 5 meters. It has some great safety features too. Look out for our demo videos to see how easy our range is to interconnect.